I am your Rajesh sir, here with a new topic. In previous classes, I have told you parts of speech. In that, we learnt nouns, different types of nouns and other classifications of nouns. In this class, I am going to teach you pronoun. Here see, pronoun, pronoun. Here pro means in place of or instead of or substitute of something. Here what we are substituting in place of noun. We are substituting something, so we are calling pronoun. Here see the example. Raju is absent. Raju is ill. Here see Raju and Raju. Here both the sentences explaining the same, and we are added the two sentences by using the conjunction because is conjunction. Using conjunction we added two sentences. For avoiding the repetition, we are not writing Raju. In place of Raju, we are writing he. When we are using male, we are using he. When we are using female, we use she. Just change this sentence. Rani. Here, in place of Raju, I have written Rani. Rani is absent because Rani is ill. Here, for changing this noun, we have to replace pronoun. We have to write she. Here, first sentence, Raju is absent because Raju is ill. Here, Rani is absent because she is ill. For male we are using he, for female we are using she. Here types of pronouns. We have many types of pronouns. Just see the list. Here the first one is personal pronoun. What is the first one? Personal pronoun. Here in this personal pronoun, it is categorized into three ways. One is nominative, possessive and accusative. Here these words, this terminology, we learn at the time of nouns, noun case. Here this pronoun is replaced with the noun. So the nominative, possessive and accusative is possible with pronouns also. Here the nominative means related to subjective, and here accusative related to objective, and the possessive is related to ownership. Here reflexive and intensive pronouns. So here we generally see I love myself. Here the I and here the myself, both are indicating the same person. So we call it as a reflection of something. Here in the intensive, we are using myself, himself, herself, same way, but this intensive comes after pronoun. Here, I, myself, kicked the ball. Here, it's giving some pressure and saying that something is done by me. I myself kicked the ball. In this way we are using reflexive and intensive pronouns. Here reflexive pronoun comes in the objective place here intensive pronoun come along with the pronoun and give some emphasis. Here demonstrative pronoun means shows. This is a ball, that is a pen. And interrogative pronouns we are using for asking questions. Here relative pronouns. Relative pronouns means it relates a sentence. And the indefinite pronoun, when the group are there, we do not want to take the names of a particular person. In place we are using indefinite pronoun. And the reciprocal pronoun, here the two pronouns come side by side. We will learn these topics in detail, and our today's topic is personal pronoun. And we learn what are the personal pronouns and what is nominative, possessive and accusative case. Pronoun. In that we are going to learn personal pronouns. First, see the definition of pronoun. What is pronoun? Generally, pronoun we are using instead of noun or in place of noun or substitution of noun. Here, see the definition. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. It's used instead of or in place of or substitution of noun. We are using pronoun. Here generally in English grammar we are using 7 pronouns as personal pronouns. They are I, we, you, they, he, she and it. Here see one example with these personal pronouns. Here I am happy. I am happy. It's a I indicating myself. And here we are happy. You are happy. They are happy. Here see, we are, you are, they are happy. And here he is, she is, and sometimes it we are using, and here the it is demonstrative pronoun, and we have different type of uses by using it. We will learn after this. And here it is comes under demonstrative pronouns. It comes under demonstrative pronoun. He is, she is, it is. He is happy. Here I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and these are all called personal pronouns. And according to the use, again they are divided as first person, second person and third person. Here have a look on this. The person is speaking. So the person who is speaking, we generally call it as a first person. And the first person pronouns are I and we. And here the person spoken to, here opposite to the person who is speaking, we call you. And here the you is same in the singular and plural. Singular and plural, and we call it as a second person. Second person. And here the person spoken of. Here somebody else. We are speaking about somebody else who is not opposite to you, but they are there. We are speaking about them. We call it as a third person. Third person. Here generally the pronouns are divided into three ways: first person, second person, third person. Here the first person I, we, and the second person you. It's the same. The singular and plural form. Here he, she, they, and it, called third person. How to use personal pronouns? Singular and plural manner. Here just now I said that as the nouns has a possessive, nominative and accusative case, here the pronouns also has that. Here let's have a look on this. Different forms of personal pronouns. Here first person. Here what are the first personals? I and we. We call them as first person. Here we are using this first person for male or female. Male means masculine gender and female means feminine gender. For male or female, we are using I and we. Here, I am a teacher. Here, we are teachers. Here, we are using for plurals and I we are using for singulars. If it is in the accusative case, in the object case, we are using me and us. Object case. If it is a possessive, mine. This is mine. This is mine. Ours. This is ours. We are using. Here the second person. The second person also we are using for male or female, masculine gender or feminine gender. Here the you is using for both singular and plural. Here in the nominative it is you and accusative also you. And here when we are speaking about possessive, we are saying your or yours. This book is your or yours. We are using in possessive. Here the third person. Here the third person we can use with all genders in plural form. Use with all genders in plural form. Here masculine gender we are using a special pronouns, and the feminine gender we are using special pronouns, and the neuter gender we are using special pronoun called it. Here we are using it for the neuter gender when we don't know the gender of a particular thing, whether the male or female. Here see the nominative case, if it is a he. Here accusative case we are using him, and here possessive his. This book is his. And here if it is a feminine she, and when we are using the possessive, this book is hers, or this book is her. And here the neuter gender we are using it. In nominative and accusative also it. When it is possessive we are using its. This one is its. Here we don't know whether it is a male or female. And here for the all genders we are using, when we are using in the nominative, here in the plural form we are using they, their, theirs and them. Here personal pronouns sometimes used as adjectives and sometimes used as possessive. Here see the example. Possessive pronoun. When we are writing pronoun at the end after the verb, it calls possessive pronoun. Here see the example. This pen is mine. this pen is hers, this pen is his, this idea is hers or yours. Here see, we are writing this pronoun before the object, and it is worked as adjective. It works as adjective. As we know that adjective adds something to the meaning of noun or qualifies the noun or adding something to the noun. And here these pronouns are adding something to the noun, so we call it as possessive adjective. Here see the example. This is my pen. This is your pen. That is her pen. Here don't confuse with the pronoun and adjective. When it comes before the noun, it works as adjective, and here after the verb without noun it is possessive. Different type of uses of pronoun it. Generally we learn that it belongs to demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative means shows. Here it shows something, and here it is used for non-living things, and sometimes it is used when we are not mentioning the noun or pronoun. Instead of that we are using it. Here is your pen, take it. Here we are speaking about this pen, and we are treating it as it because it is non-living. Here the cat fell and broke its leg. We are speaking about the cat and it's broken its leg. Here we don't know whether the cat is male or female, so that we are using its leg. Here when I saw the baby, it was sleeping. As we learned in the previous classes, here the baby, we can't mention whether it is a male or female, like child, infant. Here when I saw the baby, it was sleeping, it was crying, or it was playing. Anil went to Hyderabad and she knows it. Here Anil, he went to Hyderabad, some action done here, and she knows it. What she knows? Went to Hyderabad. And here it is easy to find faults. When we say some idea, we are using it. We generally say it is easy to find the fault. It is difficult to work, or if it is difficult to manage ourselves, and it is easy to help others. It rains. Here when we are indicating the rain, it is non-living thing, so we are indicating with it. It rains. Here observe this it while you are reading any text and underline it, and how it is used in that sentences, and you will improve, and you also learn how to use it in sentences. Order of pronoun. As we know that we have 7 pronouns: I, we, you, they, he, she, it. While using in the sentence, we have to follow order. Here let's see order of pronouns. I and you. According to English, here that using I at the beginning, it's wrong. Instead of that, you have to use you and I. In the same way, you and he and you. You have to use you and he. Here, I and Ravi. Always you have to give the preference to other persons than I. Here in the same way, he and I. Let's see the example. He and I got good marks. Here, you and I went to school. Here, don't forget this order. This is very important. important. Here always give preference to other persons than I. After writing all the other persons, you have to write I. Here worksheet. Write the correct form of pronoun. Write the correct form of pronoun. Here Ramu and dash went to market. I are me. What comes in this place? You have to write. Can you swim? As well as dash. They are them. She is as good as. I are him. He and dash were great friends. I are me. There isn't much difference between you and dash. He or him. Read these sentences carefully and write down which pronoun comes here. Thank you. Keep watching.